Hey everyone, Abby here, and today we have another unboxing of the Universal Yums. For those just tuning in, Universal Yums is a monthly subscription of different boxes, and they send different snacks and treats from different parts of the world. So far we've had United Kingdom and Thailand, and so this is our third month, and from the sticker it says home of the original Memphis. And it looks like from the picture like it's going to be Egypt, so I'm excited. Alright, and as always we have our little guide to Egypt, and on the back it has where we decide which ones we like and which ones we don't. And it has the little pamphlet that tells us a little bit more about Egypt itself, as well as everything that's in the box. So the first thing is some sort of chips. And it looks like there's chili and lime, and it's tiger. So that would be fun. And then looks like we have some cone chips. They almost remind me of bugles. They are mind-blowing pizza flavor. Interesting. And then keep in with our chips. These look like they would be like the Cheeto Puffs, and the flavor is crazy tomato. So far, very interesting flavor combinations. And then we have popcorn, and this flavor is burning barbecue. Don't know if I would do barbecue for my popcorn, so I'll be very curious to try that one. And then we have some pretzels, and they are original butter and herbs. I always like a good pretzel, so I'm hoping this is good. So it looks like now we go into actual treats, and this looks like a candy bar of sorts, and it's coconut chocolate gyro. And then we have some wafers, and it's a biscuit wafer filled with hazelnut cream and coated with natural chocolate. What's not to like about that? I can already tell you I'll probably enjoy it. And next we have wafer biscuits filled with chocolate and coated with white chocolate. Again, it sounds delicious. This one looks kind of like they call it spaghettis, and it's apple flavor. It almost looks like the gummies that you can get, like the gummy strips, so that will be interesting. We have a couple bars here. Soft biscuits filled with date paste. They almost look like nougats. And then another one, wafers filled with halva and coffee cream. Again, I like the wafers. I'm not going to complain about all these wafers. And then looks like the last thing in the box is quality butter cookies, the cinnamon cookie. I have a feeling these are going to be really good with coffee or hot chocolate. So all of this sounds really good. I'm excited to give it a try. I'm excited to see what my husband thinks as well. Very excited about this Egypt box. I don't know much about Egypt, so I'm excited to learn about it. If you have been enjoying these unboxings, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and check my social medias in the linked below for what we decided were our favorites and what we thought was a little weird. So thank you guys. Have a good day.